Finally, the video card is back and we can go back to horizontal view, the normal view. So this is a tower, how it looks, and what I had to do first is to flip my polygons, because 3D Code doesn't like to work on interiors, so inverted the polygons, and then work in 3D Code. Then I separated my model into two parts, up and down, and made a UVs. But then I realized, well, it's a bit, if I have 4K textures, it's a bit too little. And only one 4K texture would be used for all the floor and all the walls around me. So that's a little too little for texture space. I would want more, probably. So I will separate the lower part to actually 5 pieces, the bottom and 4 sides, just to have more UV space for textures. And then I realized that, how's it called, the hammer doesn't support tessellation or subdivision or whatever. So what I did, I just subdivided my model, and then I applied the height map that I had from baking, and then used that map as a displacement map, and then did not retopology, the decimation, in this case multi-resolution, just to have less polys.